Okay, stand back world. Didn't get very far.
Up again.
Okay. Door does not want to come off the car. I speak well of Volkswagen for their security.
I can't believe this. This is retarded. Okay. There. Look. There's no bolts. Putting this door on. But it don't work. It won't come off. What the fuck? I seem to have bent the door.
Again, you almost have it.
We almost got her turned around.
Yeah. You got it. Look, you got the part unplugged.
Oh yeah, we got the door unplugged. We just got the other hinges down. Some more sledgehammer action and we'll be good to go.